Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami penguin. So this model is very simple. It is one of the simplest ones I could find in this book. And since a lot of people are new to origami, I think this would be a good model to make. So anyways, let's start to make it. So first step is fold in half diagonally, colored side up, and once again I'll link my paper in the description. So valley fold in half, and so right here you can align this corner and bring it down to here, and this is going to be the penguin's body right here, and turn it over and do the same thing. And you can line up the crease. And then you're gonna unfold it. So it's like this, was like this. Whoops. Now, unfold it and fold this up. And it doesn't matter how much you fold it up, but right here when we fold in half, this part is going to be the body. And now we're making the head. So we fold this down, and then we fold it in half. And then, this is the last step, we bring it out. So it's like this. It was like this. Whoops. And now it's like this. Alright, so that was a super simple penguin. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.